Hi guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to turn on or off your flashlight in two different ways on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So let's get started. Now the simplest and the easiest way is going to be pulling down from the top right corner to see the control menu. Here, pull it down and you will see a flashlight icon, which is going to be looking like a flashlight. You can simply click on it and it's going to turn on the flashlight. Tap on it again and it will turn off the flashlight. That's going to be the very first method to do it. Now, if you don't find the torch button here, tap on this add it button, then tap on this plus add control button, and then scroll down until you find utility section. Here, you will find out the torch button, tap on it, and it's going to be added into the control center. Now, another way to do it is using the physical button. Double tap on the power button and it will turn on the flashlight. Now, in order to do that, what you need to do is to open up your settings, scroll down to advanced features, tap on side button, tap on double press and select torch. Now, when you double press, it will be turned on the torch light. So basically, these are the two methods through which you can turn on the torch on your Samsung device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.